Need to start collecting payments quickly without building a form from scratch? With Jotform's ready-made payment form templates, you can launch in minutes. Whether you're selling products, collecting donations, or accepting event registrations, there's a template designed for your needs. In this video, I'll show you how to choose a template, customize it, and connect your payment gateway. Jotform's payment form templates includes over 1,000 ready-made templates designed around real business needs. Instead of starting from zero, you can choose a template that closely matches your use case and open it instantly, with key steps and logic already in place. Templates are available across categories like PayPal, Stripe, Square, BlueSnap, and Afterpay. To begin, visit the Jotform Payment Form Templates page. From here, you can use the search bar to find a specific template, browse categories on the left-hand side, and sort templates by popular or recent to quickly find the most relevant options. For example, you might choose a Square charity donation form to request or collect a donation, or a PayPal business payment form to sell products or book services online. Once you find a template you like, click Preview to see how it works and what steps are included. When you're ready, click Use Template, and it will open in Form Builder ready to edit. All templates are fully customizable. In Form Builder, you can add fields, remove fields, edit labels, adjust layout and styling, choose payment types, and install widgets. No coding required. You have complete control over how your form looks and functions. Now, let's connect your payment gateway. You can click on the Add a Payment Connection to finish setting up your payment account. Jotform does not process payments directly. All transactions are securely handled by your selected payment gateway, and funds go directly into your gateway account. And that's how you use ready-made payment form templates in Jotform. Start with a professional template, customize it to your needs, connect your gateway, and you're ready to collect payments confidently and securely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.